How to join a public league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com and you will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, go ahead and make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in to Fantasy Premier League. And now, once you are signed in order to join a public league, tap on the Leagues and Cups option you see there, and you will then see the option for Join a League. So tap on the Join a League option you see there, and you will then see the option for Public Leagues. So tap on the Join Public League option you see there, and then choose if you want to join a Classic Public League or if you want to join a head-to-head scoring league. Go ahead and tap on your preferred option, and with this you will be led back to this particular interface. Here you will be able to see a bunch of public leagues and head-to-head scoring leagues and classic leagues. So tap on the league that you want to join, and with this, as you can see, you have joined the league. So this was about how you can join a public league. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.